Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel, the Travel Diary Lalabs edition. This is Rai Rai with my husband travel buddy Alan. This is a continuation video of our travel to the famous city of Bruges in Belgium. Today, we will explore more of the city and visit some of those chocolate stores here. But before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe. Bruges is a major tourism destination within Belgium and is well known as the seat of the College of Europe, a university institute for European studies. It is also famous for its canals, bridges, and picturesque old town. As we continue walking, we stumble upon one of the historic churches here in Bruges, the St. James Church. It is a Catholic church in Bruges, Belgium, originally built around year 1240. The church was considerably expanded in year 1459 to match the rising affluence of Bruges and was patronized by the Duke of Burgundy. In the late 17th and early 18th centuries, the church interior was remodeled in its present Baroque style. Bruges architecture is predominantly Gothic, with brickwork dating from the Middle Ages. The city reflects a considerable exchange of influences on the development of art and architecture, particularly in brick Gothic, which is characteristic of Northern Europe and the Baltic. This architecture strongly determines the character of the historic center of the city. Bruges is one of Europe's best preserved cities. This is evidenced by its historic city center, the entirety of which has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The iconic spires of its cathedral and bell tower, its cobbled streets, winding canals, and whitewashed facades are almost painfully picturesque. Most of the houses in Bruges you can see today actually date back to the 16th and 17th century and to the 19th and 20th century when many were restored in neo-Gothic style that gives Bruges its authentic medieval vibes. Now, Belgium is famous for its Art Nouveau architecture from the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Aside from the picturesque architectural style of the buildings and houses here, Bruges, as part of Belgium, is also well known for chocolates. So we will visit some of its chocolate stores here. Bruges is famous for its chocolate shops and is the ideal place for chocolate lovers. Many well-known chocolatiers have been established here for years, offering a wide selection of delicious pralines and artisan chocolates. Bruges is home to around 60 chocolate factories, making it the chocolate city par excellence. I'm a chocolate lover, so obviously, I'm excited every time we enter a chocolate store. I wonder how many pounds of chocolates will I be able to purchase, especially every variety of it looks so mouth-watering.
Tell me what you're looking with the chocolate.
Oh my gosh.
We have a dark one that's with hazelnut praliné, and the other one is almond with quinoa, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds.
Oh,
You tried it, Beth. I'll try this one.
okay.
My goodness. Chocolate's my weakness.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, enjoy it.
Oh, thank you.
Take your time to have a look. If you need any help or information, then just take it.
Oh, sure. Will do. Thank you.
if you're gonna ask me which chocolate shop has the best tasting chocolates, I'll leave that for you to decide because I feel like every chocolate here is the best. I will end my video here, but again, it's not yet the end of our travel adventure here in Bruges, for we will still continue exploring this place, so there's more to see in my next travel video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit on that notification bell for more updates. See you on my next travel video. Bye for now.